Hi, I'm Sauce from Uteach, and in today's video, I'm going to explain to you how you can know for sure whether your audience wants to buy a course from you or not. But before we start, please make sure you do subscribe to our channel if you're interested in content about e-learning, digital entrepreneurship, how you can make money with course creation, so on and so forth. And hit the notification bell too, because we do upload quite frequently. And without further ado, let's get into today's topic. So before you start to worry about whether anybody is going to want to buy your course or not, please do consider asking your audience these 3 questions that will most definitely provide you with a ton of data and information. So let's say you're on social media like Instagram or Facebook, and you can post to your stories asking these questions. Question number 1, ask your audience, do you like it when I share about X topic? Question number 2, ask them, are you interested in learning more about X topic? Question number 3, if I created an online course about X transformation or X topic, would you be interested in learning about it from me? A bonus question that you can also ask them, if you do see that the majority answers yes and they are interested in learning from you, you can even leave a little window in the stories section and ask them, how much would you be willing to pay for this specific course? See what kind of answers people bring up. See how much they are actually willing to pay. Or you can create a poll and offer them different price points and see how much your potential audience, who will then become your customers, are actually willing to pay for the course that you want to create. After you submit these questions and start receiving data and information from potential clients, this is where you start diving deep into the framework of your course. You'll actually be surprised to learn that so many of your followers are very much excited to learn something from you, and they have been waiting to create a transformation for themselves based on your personal story. So these were just a few questions that's going to help you get started, because we know so many of you do really want to create a course and you want to make money and you want to help people, but it's normal. Anxiety, procrastination, fear, self-doubt, they are all very personal topics, and there are things that we go through ourselves too. So that is exactly why we're here, to help you get started on the beginning of your course creator journey. If creating an online course is one of your goals for this year, make sure you check out our video course hosting website, uteach.io, in the description box down below. We do offer a 14-day free trial, so make sure you take advantage of that splendid offer. If you found this video somewhat helpful, please make sure you do click the like button, as we are trying to grow our amazing YouTube channel. And of course, if not, hit the notification bell so you could be notified of all future incoming videos. I'm Sauce from Uteach. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.